Continuous roof insulation must form an unbroken thermal envelope at roof-to-wall junctions to prevent thermal bypass. Continuous roof insulation means placing insulation so there are no gaps where warm air can travel through framing cavities at the roof-to-wall connection. Start by planning layers from outside to inside. A weather barrier, rigid, exterior insulation size to span the studs, a rain screen if needed, and an airtight interior layer. Use rigid foam boards on the exterior to cover studs and extend over top plates so the studs are on the warm side of the insulation. Tape and seal all joints with compatible tape or liquid flashing to maintain continuity. At roof edges and eaves, insulate and seal the roof edge assembly by fitting insulation up to or over the sheathing and adding a backed membrane or sealant to stop convective loops. For parapets and roof-to-parapet transitions, apply insulated sheathing that turns the corner so the parapet is part of the continuous layer rather than a thermal bridge. When working around penetration such as vents and chimneys, cut the rigid insulation tight to the penetration, backfill gaps with spray foam, and then cover with flashing so the continuity is preserved and moisture is managed. Common mistakes include leaving studs exposed at the top plate, which creates a thermal short. Fix this by extending rigid exterior insulation over the top plates and sealing the joint. Another common issue is poor joint sealing between insulation boards, which allows air pathways. Address that by using compatible tape, liquid flashings, or a thin layer of spray foam at every seam and fastener head. A third problem is ignoring roof edge convective loops where the soffit and roof cavity ventilate uncontrolled. Solve that by designing a sealed roof edge assembly, placing insulation to the roof edge, and using a vent baffle only where controlled ventilation is required away from the thermal boundary. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work through a searchable platform. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips and field experience about continuous roof insulation and other building details.